Welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered how artificial nails are made? Watch the full video to discover the entire process. From the depths of the earth, crude oil fuels the creation of advanced materials. The journey begins by crafting the premium ABS plastic, the foundation of every artificial nail. Precision begins here. Premium ABS plastic pellets, the essence of quality artificial nails. The journey of creating beautiful artificial nails begins with the careful selection of raw materials. Skilled engineers meticulously sculpt the future of artificial nails, starting with precise digital designs. Every curve and angle is refined, ensuring a perfect fit and natural aesthetic. Through intricate design, the foundation for beautiful, high-quality artificial nails is laid. Engineers meticulously craft mold designs, ensuring every artificial nail is perfect. Precision engineering begins as skilled hands craft the molds that will shape every perfect artificial nail. Coolant sprays continuously, ensuring tool longevity and a flawless surface finish for each mold cavity. A skilled engineer meticulously monitors the CNC machine, ensuring every dimension is perfectly aligned. Automated tool changes ensure continuous, uninterrupted precision, maximizing efficiency in mold creation. Every curve and surface is meticulously refined, ensuring perfect replicas of natural nails. Precision engineering crafts the foundational molds for perfect artificial nails. Skilled artisans ensure every mold meets exacting standards. Flawless molds are essential for creating the perfect artificial nail. The journey begins with premium ABS plastic, the foundational material for high-quality artificial nails. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Inside, molten plastic is precisely injected into custom molds, forming the perfect shape. From these molds, raw nail blanks emerge, ready for the next stages of refinement. Precision begins with raw materials, as premium ABS plastic is prepared for its transformation. The melted plastic is precisely injected, ready to shape the future of artificial nails. Under immense pressure, molten plastic fills every cavity, forming the perfect nail blanks. Steel molds precisely engineered are prepared to receive the molten plastic. The machine clamps shut with immense force, preparing for injection. Precision engineering ensures the molten plastic perfectly fills every mold cavity. Skilled workers perform initial quality checks on the freshly molded nail blanks. The continuous cycle of injection molding ensures consistent high-volume production. Precision molds open, revealing the intricate beginnings of each artificial nail. Each blank is a testament to the meticulous mold design and injection process. With graceful precision, the robotic arm descends to claim its prize. Lifted from the mold, the sprue begins its journey to the next stage. The frame of nails is gently placed, ready for the next phase of refinement. Precision begins with detachment as individual nails are freed from their frames. Each artificial nail is meticulously separated, ensuring a pristine start to its journey. Next, the nails enter vibratory tumblers for essential smoothing and refinement. This critical step ensures perfectly smooth edges for every single artificial nail. Precision tumbling refines each nail, removing imperfections with industrial grace. Minute by minute, the vibrant chaos transforms raw blanks into flawless foundations. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Each blank, now perfectly smooth, moves onward to receive its unique design. Precision, ultrasonic cleaning ensures every artificial nail blank is impeccably prepared for the next stage. The ultrasonic waves create microscopic bubbles, dislodging even the tiniest residues for a perfect finish. Skilled American workers diligently oversee every step, ensuring pristine quality and consistency. Each perfectly cleaned nail blank is now ready for the intricate stages of decoration and embellishment. Precision and quality are paramount, ensuring every artificial nail meets the highest standards. Each nail undergoes a rigorous visual check for imperfections, ensuring flawless quality. Rigorous quality checks ensure only perfect nails proceed to the next stage of manufacturing. Precision robotics ensure a flawless base coat, the first step in automated decoration. The robotic system applies a perfectly even layer of primer or color with meticulous accuracy. Each nail receives a uniform coating, ensuring vibrant color and a flawless foundation. The newly coated nails begin their journey through the curing process. Precision printing transforms each artificial nail with intricate designs. Intricate lace patterns are flawlessly transferred, enhancing each nail's unique aesthetic. Robotic arms ensure perfect alignment, guiding each nail through its creative transformation. Every detail of the lace pattern is rendered with exceptional clarity and precision. Automated systems ensure consistent, high-quality decorative applications across every nail. The finished nails, now exquisitely patterned, embody precision craftsmanship. The nails pass under intense UV light, instantly curing the protective top coat. This crucial step ensures a durable, high-gloss finish. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Each nail is now perfectly hardened and polished. Advanced technology ensures consistent quality and efficiency. Skilled artisans meticulously add individual rhinestones, transforming each nail into a miniature work of art. This delicate craft enhances each premium nail with unique sparkle and sophisticated texture. The artisan's focused dedication creates exquisite custom designs, setting premium lines apart. Precision is paramount as each artificial nail undergoes rigorous final inspection.
Notice the curvature tolerance here. It aligns perfectly with the magnified schematic on the screen.
Every detail from alignment to color is rigorously verified against stringent quality benchmarks. Flawless embellishments are a mark of premium craftsmanship. Only after meticulous verification are products cleared for packaging and distribution. Advanced automation precisely sorts each nail, ensuring perfect sets for every customer. Optical sensors meticulously scan each nail, identifying its size and design with unparalleled accuracy. Each bin meticulously collects nails of a single size, ready for the next stage of precision kitting. Perfectly sorted and categorized, the artificial nails are now ready for final packaging and distribution. Skilled hands meticulously assemble artificial nail sets, ensuring quality and precision. Each tray begins to take shape, a perfect fit for every finger. Careful attention to detail ensures every set meets the highest standards. Adhesive tabs are added, completing the ready-to-wear sets. Teamwork and dedication drive the efficient creation of every perfect nail set.
Smoothly today.
Skilled hands meticulously prepare each set for the final user. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Each package receives essential accessories for a perfect application. Ready for sealing, these products embody quality and convenience. Precision packaging begins as completed nail trays are automatically inserted into sleek retail boxes.
A lightweight, pre-shaped artificial nail.
Finally, the packaged nails are securely placed into shipping cartons, ready for distribution worldwide.